Hello and nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can build something like this in Framer, and yeah, let's go. So what we need to do in the first step, it's pretty simple. We have here the background, and out of this background we are creating a component. You just can go right click and then you go create component, and I call it the leaf component. And now I can set a second variant, and I'm going to rotate this, and I think it's already finished with the first one. So what we do in the second step, we are going to create a can. So I call it can component, and here I'm going to change the label. So this will be the backside, and this is fine, this works good. Out of this whole thing, I set a frame around it. I go to create the component, and then I call it can slider comp. And now I can here very easily, that's one point in Framer where I said this is really mighty tool. You just can change here the variants, and also for the backside, for the background, you can change the variants, and now we can start prototyping. We just connect the first one, over click. So if someone clicks here, it will show the second one, and if someone shows this or clicks on this, it will go back. So we have the first one, but what happens if I connect here? Then it will go there, and this one will also go there. So we just have a look how this works. Super cool, super simple, and yeah, this was the video, this was the tutorial, and hopefully I could help you, hopefully I could offer you some value. If it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video, and if you want to see more to the topic of Framer, just subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I would say we are going to see each other in the next video, hopefully, and have a beautiful day. Bye.